Phoenix, Happy New Year, 2025. So, just got the kitchen tidied up a little bit here. Company has just left. That was fun for about 4 hours. And he was going after the butterfly up there. And while we were having supper, we were watching these old family feuds from the 70s. And this is Miss Universe team against Miss America team. Layla laughed her head off. This Richard Dawson guy was kissing all these women. So, yeah. Here we move on. These are the days of our lives as the sands draw through time. Hey you. Hey you. Say it. Say it, Phoenix. So, anyways, that was a good meal. It's rare that I put these events on. Very rare. So, what are you doing? Don't chew through that. And yeah, I had everything all prepared, had everything organized here, and whatever they wanted to eat, they could eat. So we got the little refried beans there, and cheeses, and all kinds of things. They actually ate. They're from Iran. I would never do that. I wouldn't eat Brussels sprouts raw. But there was persimmon, and they were too full to have the pumpkin pie, but it was there. And the eggnog that I made from scratch. Eggnog, just like Mom used to make it back in the 60s and 70s with nutmeg. And the Cornish game hen was good. The sweet potatoes were good. French bread was good. You put sage, cumin, and thyme on a few things. Yeah, and then the old soya sauce, dipping it in 3 different types of sesame seeds. So, it's nice to have a lazy Susan, then you just go around and you grab what you can. Yeah, this is neat. I thought this was a really neat table. With Mom's candle that she got me. The bird candle. Phoenix. Phoenix. That's the last gift my mom ever gave to me. From the other side. 10 years ago. Wow. Well, take advantage of all your opportunities when you have them. December 31st, on this day in 1857, Queen Victoria chooses Ottawa, at the time, a small logging town, as what the capital would become of Canada. I can still read that. I can't believe that. 61 next week, and you just turned 1. 60 years between us. Yeah, you're gonna outlive me. And I'm just gonna grate up some ginger. Ginger is good for your stomach, and tea. It's very good for you, and glutamate. So, yeah, how often do these opportunities come along where, part of the face, carnation, time, Football.
Something that relieves a muscle cramp.
Absorbing junior. Hmm. Good answer, good answer. That's what my mom used to say. Good answer. Yeah. So, oh, what's happening here? It's freezing up. Okay. What the? Bengay. What's going on with this? Maybe it's because everybody's on the internet tonight. Well, those were good answers.
It was one of the things that you said, no, 24 points for $5,000. Survey said, you got the
Well, there's going to be leftovers. I knew that. I was hoping they'd have some of my pumpkin pie, but they have to be up at 6:30 tomorrow to go to work. They're engineers at the airport, so they're into aviation, just like you and me. Haha. Yeah. Yeah. So, without further ado, I want to see what you're going to do here. Happy New Year! Want to try it? I think I got those out of some crackers at Christmas. Blow! Well, let's hope 2025 is better for the rest of us. We live in precarious times, all of us. Who knows what's going to transpire? Only people from Alpha Centauri really know. Wow. I took that photo. People are blown away by it.